Good morning, one and all. On behalf of the management, principal, staff, and students, I extend a warm welcome to the online August gathering to the very first of its kind on digital platform. Believers, the challenge of overcoming the seemingly invincible COVID 19 virus loomed insurmountable on our faces as the tentacles of the virus spread alarmingly across the globe. We found ourselves at the crossroads with one way leading to an easy way out and coaxing us to give in, whereas the other seemed stern with numerous questions and challenged our grit to encounter the problem and our ability to outnumber it. Today, indeed, we stand together as a team, having proven that if he willingly and if you remain undeterred against odds, with the steadfast belief in your potentialities, then, as the old saying goes, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. For capitalites, this hurdle doesn't mean the tough born, but our resilience to act efficiently and effectively to face the adversities. For many, 2020 has been so far a saga of letdowns, but for capitalites, as life moves on, the show must go on. I now call upon our academic coordinator, Mrs. Minala Satyamurthy ma'am, to give the welcome note.
Leadership, teamwork, innovation, motivation are the rungs of the ladder that have led to success, paving the way for the virtual annual day program today. Respected Chairman of the Capital Group of Institutions, Shri G.C. Chandrasekhar, Secretary Dr. Madam Sudha, CEO Madam Indra Kulai, Chief Accountant Madam Nagratna, Principal of Capital Public School Mysuru, Madam Annie Joseph, parents, staff, and students. Namaste and a warm welcome to all of you on this day. Presenting the welcome address before you is a great privilege always, and especially this year. Taking this golden opportunity, I, on behalf of Capital Public School Mysuru, welcome our Member of Parliament and Chairman of Capital Group of Institutions, Shri G.C. Chandrasekhar, who, with his ever dynamic spirit, is with us today. Sir, a warm welcome. Charming, enthusiastic, and filled with novel ideas is our dear Secretary of the Capital Institutions, Dr. Madam Sudha. Ma'am, we convey a warm welcome to you. Our CEO, Ma'am, Madam Indra Kulai, with ever ready helping hand, is a pleasure to be welcomed. Welcome, Ma'am. Dear Nagratna Ma'am, a master of accounts, a warm welcome to you. Disciplined, yet smiling and supportive is our principal of Capital Public School Mysuru, Madam Annie Joseph. Welcome, ma'am. For today's program, our parents and children who have been a great source of strength, we welcome you wholeheartedly. Our teaching and non-teaching staff, the technical team, a warm welcome. Well begun is half done. Let's move forward. Good luck. God bless.
Thank you, Minala ma'am. Light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It removes the forces of darkness and gives us positivity. With this noble thought, let us start the virtual Samrama by lighting the lamp. Knowledge removes ignorance just as light dispels darkness. Our respected chairman, Shri G.C. Chandrasekhar sir, and our secretary, Dr. Sudha Chandrasekhar ma'am, have shared the lamp lighting clipping with us, and we like to thank them for the auspicious twilight of a spiritual glow to this Sambrama. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः.
Now I call upon the Capital Public School Mysuru team to light the lamp.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य दृष्टिर्गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते. शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम्.
Thank you, Capital Public School Mysuru team. Capital Public School Mysuru is marching towards an extra mile with a smile in the momentous task of molding minds. This temple of real knowledge is a name with a mission to nurture each child through holistic quality education. A dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. It's the belief endorsed by our principal ma'am. I now call upon our beloved principal, Mrs. Annie Joseph ma'am, to present the glimpse of annual report for the year 2020-21.
The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. The above quote speaks volumes of the academic year 2020, which began with a change, the factor which is permanent and challenging. COVID-19 made its presence felt, and I was left with two questions. First, will it be easy? And definitely the answer was no. Next, whether it is worth it? Answer, yes, absolutely. The academic year 2019-20 will go down in history for redefining the normal we so took it for granted. It is but a fact that we will always have pre-COVID and post-COVID time etched in our minds. Be safe, be smart, be kind, and be ready, said the Director General of the World Health Organization. And we at Capitol have done exactly that and proved that we can together rise up and make a winning venture against all odds. So herein I proudly present the annual report of Capitol Public School, a report of an academic year which is the testimony of the resilient spirit, innovative approach, and the bond of reliability by the awesome staff, students, and parents of our school. As the pandemic took its shape, the CBSE sought to bring in awareness about the precautions to be taken during this time to the educational community by asking the principals of all schools and students to take a pledge in this regard. We at Capitol administered the pledge to all the teachers and the students. The wheels rolled, except that the vehicle had no passengers. The school wore a deserted look without the chirping and the happy voices of the children. Treading slowly but steadily within the framework of online classes, we commenced classes for the 9th and the 10th. An initial glitch didn't seem to surface as the staff embraced those classes with confidence and dedication to do their best. Conducting assessment for the taught portions could be easily done with the support and help from the teachers and parents. Dates and days were earmarked for notes submission, correction, and tests. Regular tests, midterm exams, preparatory exams were all conducted with reports generated to help the parents know their ward's progress. It is rightly said that time and tide wait for none. Not having physical classes was the only thing, but the rest of the activities went on as usual, with each one of them associated with the school carrying on their duties perfectly. The children too geared up to the new situation, and within no time, online classes became a part and parcel of the Capitolites. Classes commenced in full swing from pre-primary to 8th, following the norms as laid down by the government. Our dear mobile, used judiciously, became the new tool, and the teachers adopted new techniques to suit the day. Maintaining safety, we at Capitol made every attempt to keep the premises clean and neat, and besides this, everyone entering the school had to wear a mask, had to sanitize their hands, and undergo thermal scanning, and record was maintained. No stone was left unturned at Capitol, which is and will remain the main capsule. The significant days of celebration continued, commencing with the Environment Day celebrations, fostering and nurturing the environment with the planting of saplings formed the main event, with a pledge taken to conserve and preserve the environment. Capitol never ceases to be in the news. This time, it was on 23rd September when the International Sign Language Day was organized and celebrated. Young India Mysuru conducted this event through their talent and accessibility verticals. Mrs. Kanchana S. Sharma addressed the high school students in this regard. Among the audience were present the principal and the teachers, along with the Young India Mysuru members. The focus of entertaining is impressing others. The focus of true hospitality is serving others. A webinar was conducted by the International Institute of Hotel Management, Bangalore, for the students of class 8th, 9th, and 10th. It was very interesting and an innovative experience for our students. The school co-curricular activities were incorporated and successfully completed right from the pre-primary classes to the 10th standard. We could see the mammoth effort and interest taken by the parents who, along with the teachers, helped in the smooth conduction of these activities. The activities included family time, apart from singing, drawing and coloring, declamation, pick and speak in any language, fancy dress, and many more, which ensured holistic development even during this pandemic times. Festivals are a part of our culture and heritage. Keeping up with the tradition, we celebrated Diwali, Shankranti, Christmas, Ganesh Chaturthi. It was a double dhamaka as the tiny tots, ready in the traditional costumes suited to the particular festival, presented themselves over the visual platform, while we at school also celebrated these festivals with joy and happiness. National festivals, along with the state festival, has gained an important place in our curriculum. The spirit of patriotism runs through the entire time, with we honoring our great leaders who fought for the freedom of our country, and we at present are enjoying the fruits of it. Independence Day and Republic Day was celebrated on 15th August, 26th January, in a simple but befitting manner, while Kannada Rajyotsava was also celebrated. Here, I must mention specially that though we teachers were not present at school, yet the pandemic did not deter our children and teachers from observing these days online. Drawings, costume, and speech apt for each day was organized by our teachers in their respective online timings. Colors speak all languages at all times. This is a time that never ceases to be a dull day. The color days, which is observed regularly by our tiny tots, are a treat to the eyes, mind, and soul. Children dressed in colorful attires, interwoven with activities, reinforcing that particular color is like a canvas painted with emotions and efforts. These rainbows made us jubilant and elated. Without collaborations and professional growth, there is no spark of life for we teachers. Augmenting this aspect, various webinars organized by the CBSE and Super Teacher were made available to the teachers who attended these. Time spent usefully promotes a sense of discipline and knowledge enhancement. Every day has been special this year, with we at Capitol carrying on the onus of our duties faithfully. The school cannot and will not be able to function without the pillars, the teachers. Indebted to them for their commitment and perseverance, the International Institute of Hotel Management had organized the 5th edition of Teachers' Day Awards 2020, and on this day, Dr. M. Jyotsna and Mrs. Ranjita were honored. The students of our school also showed their love and affection towards their teachers by pouring in their wishes through greeting cards, messages, online sent videos, which was a testimony to the gratitude that they have towards the teaching faculty. The teachers were all geared up to entertain our little ones and show their love to them as the Children's Day approached. A wide variety of colorful programs were presented, and every teacher participated in it. That was the best gift we could ever offer to our children. It was indeed a proud moment for the entire school, as some of our students participated at various competitions held outside the school framework and won accolades. The students were Sudhanshu H., Nishant P. Jamadagni, Disha Kothari, Satvik C. Hiremat, Sughosh C.R., Meghna M., K.N. Namish, and Sharanya N.R. The pandemic did not dampen their spirits, but they continued in the pursuit of success. Congratulations to all our achievers. It is in the midst of this pandemic that our entire school was in a state of shock and grief as we lost our founder principal of Capital Public School, Mysuru, Mrs. Uma Venkatesh, who left us on 29 November 2020, leaving a void in our lives. The school indeed lost a great teacher and a good leader. Her services to this institution will ever be remembered. A condolence meeting was held in which Sudha ma'am and all the teachers attended. We will always miss her. The first issue of newsletter was released online to convey the happenings of the various events of the school and keeping the developments posted to the parents. As we draw the curtains for this year, I wholeheartedly thank the parental community for their support has been immense, especially this year. We hope and pray to receive your continued support always, promising and assuring you that your children are in safe hands and will be given the best. I would like to pen down these thoughts which occur in my mind. If you are persistent, you will get it. If you are consistent, you will keep it. Let us all pledge to keep up the same spirit and work with renewed vigor and enthusiasm with a hope for the better always. While exposing the real-time challenges that we faced in the education system, the COVID-19 response has also brought out the best in our school system, showcasing its responsiveness, strengthening the ways we engage with each other, and encouraging unprecedented alternatives. We have a huge responsibility to build on what we have learned and work to shape a true, equitable, and excellent education experience at Capital Public School. If the purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows, we have gone beyond mirrors and turned technology into an enabler that unlocks not windows but vistas of learning. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, ma'am. Due to his hectic schedule, our respected chairman, G.C. Chandrasekhar sir, has sent his greetings and wishes to one and all virtually. I am profusely elated to take this opportunity to thank you, sir. I am profusely overjoyed to take this opportunity to welcome our Secretary, Dr. Sudha Chandrasekhar ma'am, to render the presidential address.
Good day everyone. I hope you are all healthy and safe. What was the new normal a year ago has now lost its distinction and has become just the normal. This shift to a virtual platform has not been easy, and we are very thankful for your help and cooperation throughout the process. It has truly been the worst of times, but in a way also the best of times. I don't and shouldn't expand on how it is the former, as today is a day of celebration. But the silver lining of any situation needs to be reiterated in order to remind ourselves that we still have something to strive for. I feel these are the best of times since our children have an opportunity to personalize their learning like never before. The uniform syllabus surely provides a strong foundation, but pre-lockdown, the children never had an opportunity to explore and expand beyond this foundation. But now they do. The reduced hours of classes gives them a lot of time to explore their interest in numerous areas, and the resources are at their fingertips and are infinite. In this atmosphere, we as parents have a duty to give them the resources and the space so they can make the best of this. In a home environment where we are all staying in for large hours of time, the line between parenting and giving our children a space to take their own initiative becomes blurred. How can we balance this when every sight of our children spending hours and hours online worries and concerns us? How do we ensure that they feel comfortable to express their interest and aspirations to us without worry? All of this, especially when we feel a need to be fully involved in our children's lives. And now, having a chance to do so, we would want to make the best of this opportunity. While thinking of this dilemma, I remembered a poem my daughter made me read. She had felt that it was highly essential for every parent to keep this in mind while deciding on how to intervene in the child's life. It is from the collection of poems by Khalil Gibran in his phenomenal work, The Prophet, which he took 11 years to complete. It goes like this. Your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of life's longing for itself. They come through you, but not from you. And though they are with you, yet they belong not to you. You may give them your love, but not your thoughts, for they have their own thoughts. You may house their bodies, but not their souls, for their souls dwell in the house of tomorrow, which you cannot visit, even in your dreams. You may strive to be like them, but seek not to make them like you, for life goes backwards, nor tarries with us today. You are the bows from which children as living arrows are sent forth. The archer sees the mark upon the path of infinite, and he bends you with his might that his arrows may go swift and far. Let your bending in the archer's hand be gladness, for even as he loves the arrows that flies, he also loves the bow that is stable. I find that this poem can be interpreted in a unique way by each of us, but also provides certain bounds to the interpretation. I urge you to think and align your choices as a parent in a way which you feel right for your child, while keeping this in the back of your mind. Be it capital, believe in the potential of each and every one of your children. But unfortunately, we could not exploit the potential of every child for this annual day. Surely, we look eagerly to do so next year in a grand manner. Despite this impediment of not being able to include more number of students, we are very proud of the performance we have been able to put together for today's annual day. The students have come together despite these tough times and have worked immensely hard for this event. We thank all the parents who were involved in producing of these performances and participating in it too. I would also like to thank all my teachers for supervising, directing, organizing for today's annual day. We are very glad that all of you have kept the enthusiasm alive and have channeled it into putting this amazing celebration today. Thank you very much and enjoy the show.
Thank you, ma'am. We not only value the academics, but also our creative tendencies. Champions are made when potentials are converted into performances. Work hard in silence, let success make noise. The CCA awardees stand as a testimony to the above words. Hearty congratulations to the prize winners. Now I request Mrs. Rajani ma'am to read out the CCA prize winners.
A very warm day to all of you. The co-curricular activities are the prime important activities as they are undertaken along with the academic curriculum. These activities are carried out outside the normal classroom, but they supplement academics. They help in learning by doing. They also help in the holistic development of students. It assists in developing creative thinking and creates the ability to be successful. Even during this pandemic, our school has provided the students with ample opportunities to showcase their talents on a virtual platform. Today, I feel privileged and honored to stand before you all and acknowledge the achievements of our dear students who have won first prize in the various competitions that were held online. And here we go. The competitions that were held online are fancy dress competition, recitation competition, show and tell competition, coloring competition, look and speak competition, declamation, and so on. Congratulations to all our winners. They truly deserve a big round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajni ma'am. Utsaho balavanarya na asti utsaha parambalam. Sa utsahasya cha lokeshu na kinchidapi durlabam. Meaning, no force in this world is greater than our enthusiasm and spirit. Well, everyone is eager to sink into the depth of music, song, lights, and joy. Let us now enjoy the rainbow of cultural programs prepared under the able stewardship of our principal ma'am. Over to Harshita and Prithvi of 10th standard for the cultural program. Thank you, one and all.
Good day parents and my dear friends. I Harshita of class 10.
Namaste Capital Kutumba. Nanu Prithvi Shri 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ
Are your anchors for today's program. It has been an incredible journey this year with all our academics as well as co-curricular activities going online.
ಹೌದು ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ, ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನವೀನತೆಯನ್ನು ತರುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿಶೇಷ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಸಹ. ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು.
Yes, you are right. Sitting in the comfort of our houses, we can still witness the annual day program, a day that can never be missed in a student's life. Commencement of a welcome dance brings happiness and joy. Time to watch.
मधुरा पुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्ण चरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरा पुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरा पुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण मधुरा पुरी सदना मृदुवदना मधुसूदना इह स्वागतं कृष्ण कृष्ण मुष्टिकासूरचानूरमल्ल मल्लविशारद मधुसूदना मुष्टिकासूरचानूरमल्ल मल्लविशारद मधुसूदना मुष्टिकासूरचानूरमल्ल मल्लविशारद कुवलयपीठ मर्दन कलिङ्गनर्तन गोकुलरक्षण सकल सुलक्षण देवा मर्दन कलिङ्गनर्तन गोकुलरक्षण सकल सुलक्षण देवा शिष्ट जनपाल संकल्प कल्प कल्प शतकोटिय समपराभव शिष्ट जनपाल संकल्प कल्प कल्प शतकोटिय समपराभव वीर मुनि जन विहार मदन सुकुमार दैत्य संहार देवा वीर मुनि जन विहार मदन सुकुमार दैत्य संहार देवा मधुर मधुर रति साहस साहस व्रज युवती जनमानस पूजित साधप गरि मगरि सदसा सरि ग पद सदप गरि मगरि सदसा अदप गरि मगरि सदसा साधप गरि मगरि सदसा साधप गरि मगरि सदसा धगधरि कुकुतल किड धगधि 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 कृष्ण
ನೃತ್ಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.
Innocent, simple but cute are our dear friends of pre-primary, making this day more exciting. We have our friends to entertain all of us with their lovely dance.
ಹೌದು, ಈ ಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಿಸೋಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಂಜಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅವರ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ದೆಮ್.
नमस्ते नमस्ते हाथ जोड़ो जुड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जुड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते। डोंट वरी सब हो जाएगा ठीक, स्ट्रॉन्ग बनो डोंट बी वीक। जमीर हम लोगों का मैला हुआ है, इसीलिए वायरस ये फैला हुआ है। सब स्टॉप हो गया, सेंसेक्स ड्रॉप हो गया। मत करो तुम इतना पैनिक, डूब जाएगी फिर टाइटैनिक। ट्रैवलिंग को रोक दो, इस वायरस को ठोक दो। लोग नहीं सीरियस है, ये मैटर में सीरियस है। डोंट गो आफ्टर बकरी खाओ, दाल सब्जी ज्यादा खाओ। भीड़ भाड़ में कम जाओ, ट्रिम हो जाओ, जिम जाओ। गले लगाना हाथ मिलाना सब छोड़ रही है, पब्लिक दुनिया भर की अब हाथ जोड़ रही है। हाथ जोड़ना बोले तो नमस्ते नमस्ते, तुम भी सब करो ना फिर खुल जाएंगे रास्ते। नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जुड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जुड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जुड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जुड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते।
Oh, I'm indeed impressed. I'm sure that there are other programs that pave the way for an exciting evening. Prithvi, do you remember? Anything in life has both positive and negative factors. To see the skit by our young friends to understand and realize what positive factor COVID was.
As a parent, you want to do everything you can to protect your child. This pandemic has brought with it new challenges for families across the globe. Yet, kids have learned the skills of lending a helping hand to the parents and contributing their support to the families to be there for each other.
I'm playing with the same toys. I'm getting bored, Sharanya.
What shall we do now, Tara?
Let's ask Mom to play with us, Sharanya. Mom. What are you doing, Mom?
Mom, can you play with us?
Please, Mom.
Not now. I'm cooking. It's lunchtime.
We are getting bored. Can we help you in the kitchen, Mom?
Yes, you can. But before that, please keep all the toys back in its place.
Yes.
Mom.
Yes, Mom.
Now we set the toys back. Good. Now you can go and set the dining table. Yes, Mom. Sharanya, please come and take these spoons. I'm so happy to see them helping me in the kitchen. This pandemic has really taught them to share a helping hand. You should eat all the vegetables and do not waste food.
Vegetables will make us healthy and strong, Mom.
Even fruits also, Mom? Yes.
Don't worry, Mom. I'll help you in cleaning the table.
Thank you, dear. Mom, after the cleaning the table, we will fold the clothes. Thank you, dear. You both are such darlings. It's wonderful to be with my kids in this pandemic. I'm really enjoying. Thank you.
Thank you.
The greatest contribution of this pandemic was seen in the family, when the children took the initiative to help their parents in small ways to make a big difference. Thank you.
In this scene, we can see working mother busy with her laptop and children are playing with their toys.
Rahul, let's play something interesting today.
Okay, dear. What shall we play?
Let's solve this puzzle today.
I am enjoying it.
Yes, Rahul, it helps our motor skill. Rahul and we are enjoying solving the puzzles. It's good. You're solving the puzzle. But after play, you both have to put your toys back into the box.
Mom, till now we were solving puzzles. Still, we have to play with other toys. Mom, we will be playing with them again after some time, so let the toys be there.
No dear, someone might trip and fall and get hurt. Do as I say.
Kids will not clean the toys. The doorbell rings. As usual, no one goes to open the door.
Today I am very busy. So much work is left out. I have to do all the work.
See Rahul, Mom asked us to put our toys back. She got hurt because of us.
I'm sorry, Mom. Are you alright? I should have listened to your mom.
Sorry Mom, we understood our responsibility. After playing, we will put our toys back into the box.
Next time we'll be careful, Mom. Okay, dear. Next time be careful. Thank you.
This pandemic has helped us to organize ourselves in all walks of life, especially in discipline and sense of responsibility. Thank you.
Children's love for their grandparents. Where is my specs? Where did I keep it? Let me ask Rekha. Rekha, have you seen my specs to read the newspaper?
Look at him. When he wants his specs, he talks so nicely to me. Oh, let me go and find it for him. But I'm so busy. Let me ask Rahul's help. Rahul?
Yes, Grandma.
Can you go and search Grandpa's specs?
Yes, Grandma.
Rahul?
Yes, Grandma.
Did you find Grandpa's specs?
No, I can't find it.
Dear, come here. Enough playing. Rahul has not still found Grandpa's specs. Go and help him.
No, Grandma. I want to play.
Do you want that chocolate which I kept yesterday?
Okay. I'll go search for it. What are you doing, Grandma?
I'm cutting the vegetables.
How do you do it? Teach me, Grandma.
Sure, I will. It will be a great help for me.
Look here, Grandpa. I found your specs for you.
Thank you.
Rahul, I'll ask your grandpa that he took his medicine or not.
Okay.
Did you take your medicine as you always forget?
Oh no, I forgot to take my medicine. Rahul?
Yes, Grandpa.
Can you go and bring my medicine?
I'm always there to do your work. Here you go, Grandpa. Let me do something to my grandpa. Grandpa, you can set an alarm in the mobile for your medication.
I cannot understand today's technology.
I will teach you, Grandpa. It's very easy. And yes, Grandma, I even want you to learn it.
Why not, Rahul? I'm not old like your grandpa. I'm always open to new technology. In this pandemic, we learned so many new things from our grandchildren.
And yes, Grandma, we learned a lot from you too.
This act depicts how the gap between generations can be overcome with love, caring and affection.
This act will depict how the COVID-19 pandemic has helped in cementing relationships and bringing families closer to each other.
no, both are still sleeping. Akash, Bunny, come on, get up. It's already 7 o'clock in the morning. Good morning, Grandma. Good morning. Good morning, Grandma. Good morning. Good morning, Grandpa. Good morning, Dad. Good morning, children. Dad, it's just 7 o'clock and Grandpa woke us so early. Yes. Moreover, we don't have to get ready and go to school as well. So, what if you don't have school? You can't be so lazy. In fact, this is a good time where you can think of keeping yourself fit and healthy. What do you mean, Dad? Come on, both of you. Let's go and do some exercise. Wow, Dad! I'll show you some yoga poses which I had learnt in school. Good, that's a great idea. Come on, let's go. In our days, when children were at home, they used to play so many games. Nowadays, each one is the old one of mobile.
So true, Mama. Look, how kids are busy with mobile. It's not good. Why don't you do something to keep them away from playing virtual games in that mobile and make them play some real games?
Do you remember, Akshay? You used to play so many games in your childhood. Why don't you go and play with them?
You're right, Mama. It's been quite some time since they're playing on their mobile. Let me do something. Come on, Akash, Dhwani, let's play Uno cards.
What? Uno? Dad, they really know how to play Uno?
Yes, of course. Why? Do you have a doubt? Even Grandpa is going to play with us.
Sure, why not? Go call Grandma and Mommy. Let's play together. Yay! Grandma! Mom! Uno cards, Uno cards.
The year 2020 was welcomed with gratitude like any other new year. But to the astonishment of the universal community, it turned out to be a year of threat to the entire human race, irrespective of caste, creed and religion. The coronavirus sweeping across the entire globe and traveling and showing its superiority over man. Let's forget about the destructive role of the pandemic and instead introspect its positive side. We know of a saying which is, united we stand and divided we fall. But instead, this pandemic took a reverse and said, divided we stand, but united we fall. Keep away from everyone and speak from far. But when we think of the good and glad tidings that it brought to us, we understand our true values. The students of class 1 to 4, through small skits, went back to our roots, where our ancestors believed that the family that eats together, prays together, always stays together.
Thank you!
होठों पे उंगली चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम करारे चुपके गाए आधी आधी बात ले आजा दिल की ये जमीन थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशिया चल बनाए आशिया
ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಲೈಫ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ರಂಜಿಸಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ. A valuable message was communicated effectively. ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು? Want to know? It's a dance by our 5th and 6th standard friends which would put us back into action with their rhythmic performance.
सोचो तो क्यों है आज सहम सहम पानी, ये चुपचाप पानी क्यों? चलो बदल दे कहानी कहानी, बचा ले निशानी हम। पूछेगी धरती तब कहाँ थे तुम, नदी रो रही थी तब कहाँ थे तुम। स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है जिंदगानी। सोचो तो क्यों है आज सहमा सहमा पानी, ये चुपचाप पानी क्यों? चलो बदल दे कहानी कहानी, बचा ले निशानी हम। पूछेगी धरती तब कहाँ थे तुम, नदी रो रही थी तब कहाँ थे तुम। स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी। कब से नाराज गुस्सा गुस्सा पानी, ये क्यों उदास पानी क्यों? चलो बदल दे कहानी कहानी, बचा ले निशानी हम। पूछेगी धरती तब कहाँ थे तुम, नदी रो रही थी तब कहाँ थे तुम। स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी। Drop, drip, drip, drop, drip, drop, drippity drop, drip, drop, drip, drip, drop, drip, drop, drippity drop. चलो बचा ले धरोहर पुरानी, ये तेरा मेरा पानी। चल drop, drippity drop. चलो बदल दे कहानी कहानी, बचा ले निशानी हम। Drop, drippity drop. पूछेगी धरती तब कहाँ थे तुम, नदी रो रही थी तब कहाँ थे तुम। स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी। स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी।
ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದು. A big round of applause. Thank you friends. ಪೃಥ್ವಿ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ ವೇಟ್. ಓಹೋ ಹರ್ಷಿತಾ, ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಮ್ಮ 7, 8, 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಭಿನಯಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯ ಎಂಬುದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕಾದ ಒಂದು ಬಂಧ, ಒಂದು ಜೀವವಿದ್ದಂತೆ. ಏನೇ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಸೋತ್ರು, ಗೆದ್ರು, ಕುಗ್ಗಿದ್ರು, ಹಿಗ್ಗಿದ್ರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಲಿರುವವರು ಒಬ್ರೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವೇದಿಕೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣವಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವನು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನೇ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಸರಿ, ನಾನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹಲೋ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಯಾಕೆ ಫೋನ್ ಎತ್ತುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ?
ಅಮ್ಮ, ಅದೇ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀಯ. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ? ಫ್ರೀ ಆದಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಡು ಫೋನು.
ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ, ಸಾರಿ.
ಏನೇ ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿನ? ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ನೀನು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಫೋನ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡವನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ, ಹಾಗೇನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ನು ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಫ್ರೀ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವನೇ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾಫಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ತಗೋಬಾ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ತಲೆ ನೋಯ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ಹಾ, ತಂದ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದಡ್ಡಿ, ನಿನಗಿನ್ನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವೇ? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇವಲ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ತಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡದೆ ಇರ್ತಾರ? ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ರಾಮಾಯಣ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಿನ ನಡೆಯೋದು. ಇವಳಿಗಿದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ತಾಯಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿನೇ ಹಾಗೆ. ಅವ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಲು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅದು ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಅದೇನು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡು.
ಸರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಕಾಫಿ ಜೊತೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು.
ಹಾ, ತಂದ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ದಿನ ಇದೆ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟಾ?
ಇವತ್ತೊಂದಿನ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಸರಿ ಬಿಡು.
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಅಂತೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೋನ್ ಎತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾಮಿನಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ.
ಹಾ, ಅವಳಾಗಿದ್ದು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಹಾ. ಹಲೋ ಯಾಮಿನಿ, ಹೇಗಿದೀಯಾ?
ನಾನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನತ್ತೆ, ನೀವ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾವ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ?
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾನತ್ತೆ. ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅತ್ತೆ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಆಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ದಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ, ನಮ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಬ್ರು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ತಾನೇ?
ಹ್ಞೂ, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮಕ್ಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು?
ಮಕ್ಳೆಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ಕೋತಿದ್ರು ಅತ್ತೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡು, ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಿಶು, ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ನೋಡು, ಮಾತಾಡು.
ಹಲೋ,
ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಪುಟ್ಟ?
ನಾನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ನೀವೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ತಾತ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ?
ಅವರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಧಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ?
ನಿಧಿ ಓದ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡು, ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಿಧಿ ತಗೋ, ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಪುಟ್ಟ?
ನಾನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ನೀವ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ, ನಾನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ತಾತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಓದ್ತಿದ್ರು.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ನಾನಂತೂ ರಜಾ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಪ್ಪನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ.
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರಿ, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಅಮ್ಮನ್ ಕೊಡು.
ಅಲೋ ಅತ್ತೆ, ನನಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರಿ, ರಜಾ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಾ.
ಸರಿ ಅತ್ತೆ, ಬಾಯ್.
ಬಾಯ್.
ಏನಂತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
ಏನೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಫೋನ್ ಇಟ್ಲು. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ.
ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ಟಿವಿಲೇನೋ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ. ಈ ದರಿದ್ರ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಬಾ. ಏನಿದು ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತೆ?
ನನ್ಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಸಾಮಗ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಬಾಗಿಲು ತೆಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
ಸರಿ, ನೀನು ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ತಗೋಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರಿ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಬಾಂಬೆಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಕ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳು.
ಹ್ಞೂ, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಬಂದೆ.
ತಗೋ, ನಿಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದ್ ಲೋಟ ನೀರ್ ತರ.
ಹಾ, ತಂದೆ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ರೀ, ಒಂದ್ ವಾರ ಆಯ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತೆ. ಅತ್ತೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ. ಇದೀಗ್ಲೇ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಪಾಪುನು ಹಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ನನಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಾವೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣವಾ?
ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ. ನನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗು.
ಸರಿ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಯಾಮಿನಿ, ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಮಕ್ಳಾ, ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಮಕ್ಳ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಆಯ್ತು ಅಪ್ಪ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ತಾನೇ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ ಹೊರಡೋಣ.
ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು, ಬಾ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಹಾ. ಓ ಬಂದ್ರಾ? ಬನ್ನಿ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ?
ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೇಗಿದೀಯಾ ನಿಶು?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತಾತ, ನೀವೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನೋ ನನ್ಗಿಂತ ಹೈಟ್ ಬೆಳೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ತಾತ.
ಸರಿ, ಹೋಗಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸರಿ ಬಾ.
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್, ಯಾಮಿನಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಮಾವ, ನೀವು?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಯಾಣ ಸುಖವಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಬಾಂಬೆಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ.
ಹ್ಞೂ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ.
ಒಳ್ಳೇದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್, ತಗೊಳಪ್ಪ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿ.
ಹ್ಞೂ ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ ಅಮ್ಮ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಡು.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡಿಯೋ, ದೂರದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಸುಸ್ತಾಗಿರ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ ಅಂದೆ ತಾನೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಮ್ಮ.
ಸರಿ ತಗೋ.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ,
ಹಾ ತಂದ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಜ್ಜಿ.
ನಿಧಿ, ಯಾಮಿನಿ.
ಅತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗಿದೆ ಒಬ್ಳೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ ನೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ.
ಸರಿ ಅತ್ತೆ. ಮಕ್ಳ, ಬೇಗ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕುಡ್ದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರು.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತೆ.
ಅಣ್ಣ, ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡು.
ಹಾಟ್ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ನ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ, ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕೊಡು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಇದೀನ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಓ, ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ?
ಬೇಡ, ಅಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಾ ನಾವೇ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಸರಿ. ಅಣ್ಣ, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡು.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ.
ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನಡಿ, ನಂದು ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾನು ಬಂದೆ. ನಡಿ, ನಂದು ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಾ ಅಪ್ಪ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಟಾಡೋಣ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಕೇರ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ.
ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದೆಯಂತೆ.
ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೋಗ್ರು, ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಅಪ್ಪ,
ನೋಟ್ಸ್
ಬರೆದ್ವಿ.
ಹೋಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಅಪ್ಪನ ಕೇರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಪ್ಪ ಬೈಕ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರು.
ಅಪ್ಪಂಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಾನು ಆಟಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೋಡಿ. ಹಾ, ಹೋಗು, ಬೇಗ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬಾ.
ತಾತ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಕೇರ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ.
ಹ್ಞೂ ನಡಿಯೋ, ನಾನು ಕೇರ ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ನಾನು ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮು, ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಒಂದು ಟೀಮು.
ಆಯ್ತು.
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಿದೆ ಅಜ್ಜಿ.
ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೇ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಸಿಕ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ನಿಧಿಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು.
ಮೊನ್ನೇನೋ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ನಡೀತಂತಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸಲ್ಟು?
90% ತಾತ.
ನಿಂದೆಷ್ಟು ನಿಧಿ?
92 ತಾತ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ 95 ಮೇಲೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಸರಿ ತಾತ.
ಏ, ನಾವು ಗೆದ್ವಿ.
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಮೋಸ ನಿಂದು.
ರೆಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕು.
ಗೆದ್ವಿ ನಾವು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ, ಬರೀ ಮೋಸ.
ಕಿಚ್ಚಾಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೈತಾನೆ. ಮೆತ್ತಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವನೇ ತಾನೆ ಬರೀ ಮೋಸ.
ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸರಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾನು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಬಾ ನಿಧಿ, ನಾವು ಟೆರೆಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋಣ.
Hello.
Is this Prashant?
Yes, it's me, Prashant.
Sir, we are calling from your company. Sir, because of COVID-19 effect, we are taking out some employees. In that, you are the one, sir. Sorry to say about this.
What? How can you do this? I'm working from so many years in this company.
Sir, I know, sir, you are working from so many years, but what orders we have got, we have to follow. Sir, if there is some vacancy, we will call you, sir.
Okay. ಏನಿ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಯಿಂದ ಹೀಗಾಯ್ತು ಜೀವನ. ಯಾಮಿನಿ.
ಬಂದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
ಕಂಪನಿಯವ್ರು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಇಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಂತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸದಿಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಈಗ ಮಕ್ಳಿಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅವರಿಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಫೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕಟ್ಟಲೇಬೇಕಂತೆ.
ಫೀಸಾ? ಹೀಗೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ನಾನು? ಎಷ್ಟಂತೆ?
ಇಬ್ಬರಿಂದ ಸೇರಿ 70,000 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
70,000? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ? ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲ್ಸನೂ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ನನ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ.
ಹಲೋ ರವಿ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್.
ಹಲೋ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್, ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನಾನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಣೋ.
ಏನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದಿನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬ್ಯುಸಿ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಯಂತೆ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಕಣೋ, ಮಕ್ಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಆಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತನ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ.
ಏನ್ ವಿಷಯ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೂರ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು.
ಏನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಕೇಳು, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಚೂರ್ ಹಣ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಹಣನ? ನೀನೇ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಪುತ್ರ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗೇನ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀಯ ಕಳಿಸಲ್ವಾ?
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಹಣ ಕಳಿಸ್ದೆ, ಒಂದು 30-40 ಸಾವಿರ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡು.
ಸರಿ ಬಿಡು, ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರಿ, ಬಾಯ್.
ಬಾಯ್. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಇಲ್ವಂತೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವಾಗ?
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಈ ತರ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
ನಂಗೇನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ನೋಡು, ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಲಾಕ್ಡೌನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ. ನೀವೇ ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈಗ ಅಂತ.
ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋದು?
ಒಂದ್ ಮಾತು ಮಾವನ್ ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅಪ್ಪನ? ಈಗ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ? ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು.
ಒಂದ್ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ.
ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಸರಿ.
ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ, ಸಾಮಾನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ತಾನೆ?
ಹ್ಞೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೇನದು ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರಿ. ಪ್ರಶಾಂತ್, ಯಾಕೋ ಏನೋ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಯಪ್ಪ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳು.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೂರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತೀಯ, ಹೇಳು. ಸರಿ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೊರಟಿರೋ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ATMಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಾ?
ಹೌದಾ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 80,000 ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಮನೇಲಿ?
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು 50,000 ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಚೂರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ನಾನೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಚೂರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಪ್ಪ ದೇವ್ರೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಕ್ಕೇನ ಇಂದಿದ್ದು? ಏನ್ರಿ ಯಜಮಾನ್ರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ?
ಇವಾಗೇನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕೊಡಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗ್ತಾ ಆಗ್ತಾ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಹತ್ರನೇ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಹೇಳಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ್ಲಿಂದ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗೋವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಯಾಕಿಂತ ಹಠ? ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಘನತೆ ಗೌರವ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನೋ? ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಹೇಳಿ? ನಾವೇನ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವ? ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ, ನಾವು ಕೊಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೇನೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸರಿ ಬಿಡು, ತಗೊಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಛೇ, ನಿಜ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಕೊನೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಏನೂ ಅಪೇಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ ಸರಿನೇ ತಾನೇ. ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡೋಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಬೈದ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಬೈದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಈಗ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದ್ರೂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಟೈಮ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಈ ತಪ್ಪು ನನ್ನಿಂದ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು, ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಈ ತಪ್ಪು ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾರನ್ನೇ ದೂರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮಾತ್ರ ದೂರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟು ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹತ್ರ ಸಾರಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು.
ಬಂದೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಸಾವಿತ್ರಿ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತಗೋ.
ಹಾ.
ಅಪ್ಪ, ಆಗ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತು, ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ, ನಿನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ನಿನಗೆ ಅರಿವಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು. ತಗೋ ಹಣ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಪ್ಪ.
ಕಂಬನಿ ತೊಡೆಯುವುದು ಬೆರಳು, ಜೊತೆ ಇರುವವರು ತೊರೆದರೆ ಏನು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರುವುದು ನೆರಳು. ಹಲವು ಬಂಧಗಳ ಅಂದದ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂದು ಇರುವುದು ಆನಂದ. ನಿಮಗೂ ನಮಗೂ ಅಂಟಿದ ನಂಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಹೆಸರಿದು.
Prithvi, you hit the nail on the head. Our friends have succeeded in conveying the importance of family bondage that has enhanced during this time.
Yes, Harshita. A big round of applause for our friends.
Now let's see the last performance and enjoy the day.
जय जय हे, जय जय हे, जय जय हे, जय हो, जय जय हे, जय जय हे, जय जय हे। फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई। फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान। जो साथ देते सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया। जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
Thank you, friends. Indeed, it was a mesmerizing performance that needs to be applauded.
As we draw the curtains for today's program, we have Rupa ma'am to present the vote of thanks.
A happy day to all of you. I am indeed honored to stand before you to propose the vote of thanks on this digital platform. At the outset, I would like to thank our chairman, G.C. Chandrasekhar sir, for being a part of this program and giving his constant support to us in all our endeavors in spite of his busy schedule. On behalf of all of us, I extend my sincere gratitude to you, sir. I would like to thank Dr. Sudha Chandrasekhar ma'am, our secretary, for being a part of this colorful journey and constantly filling us with positive thoughts. My sincere gratitude to you, dear ma'am. My sincere thanks are due to our CEO, Mrs. Indra Kulai ma'am, for guiding and motivating us throughout the year. Thank you, ma'am. Not to forget our Chief Accountant, Mrs. Nagaratna ma'am, for her valuable contribution towards our growth. Thank you, ma'am. This would have remained a dream if not for our parents and students. A big thank you to all of you. I take this opportunity to thank our principal, Mrs. Annie Joseph ma'am, and her entire team of dedicated teachers and the non-teaching staff who have tirelessly worked throughout in order to bring out the best out of the children. My gratitude to you, ma'am, and her team. I will be failing in my duty if I do not thank our technical team and all those who have worked behind the scene to help in making this event a colorful and memorable one. Thank you, one and all. I now request all of you to rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे